Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. It is Benny. Hope you guys are having a good one, because I know I'm having an alright day actually. Why, you may ask? Well, one, because today I was supposed to get the wheels on with the tires, everything, but that was a no-go. I'll have to explain that in a little bit. Also, I had to go to the store to pick up some wire, because I'm gonna be seeing what's up with this ECU, connecting it to my laptop, and we're gonna be seeing what's up with it, what's on it, what's going on. Maybe we could put on a different tune. I know AM has some tunes on their software, so you're able to use those. They're preset tunes, they're like bass tunes. So I know they do have one for the AP1, so we're gonna go ahead and check that out, see if we can get the car started, because right now with the tune that it has on there, we can't turn it on. As for, first of all, it's pretty high up there, and we don't know what can happen if we try to fully start it. Could blow something or something. So for now, we're gonna go ahead and try this, connect it to the computer. So this is what I'm looking at here. I think it's going through, it's reading all the information. Oh shit. It's not connecting. Hey you guys, so for some reason the ECU, the AM ECU wasn't able to connect. I don't know exactly why. I'm still figuring it out. I looked some stuff up a lot. It's a pretty common problem, I guess, but I had to figure it out exactly why my problem it is, why it doesn't want to connect. So I did put the battery to charge, because the battery's not fully charged. That was one of the causes. Like, people said, like, hey, sometimes if your battery's not connected that well or charged, is not gonna connect that well. So I'm putting it to charge. I messed with the connector. I made it tighter, making sure it's a good connection. As far as it goes, it seems like it has a great connection. Other than that, I don't know. I am gonna show you guys what happened with the wheels today, the reason I wasn't able to get them on, but here it is. So there she is. Let me explain. So basically, I had originally put like a sealer. So this is the sealer right here. I went ahead. So there's a white one that I had put on, and then there's this one that's kind of clear, but below it there's a white one. Hold on, let me see if I can focus this for you guys. Okay. So I don't know if you could kind of see. Right, it's getting a little weird, but do you see that there's like it's clear but whitish, but underneath this one there is a white caulk that I had put that wasn't working that well. As you can see, so it's like right there. It's like right around there. You can't really see it. Maybe when I take off the wheel, but anyways, I had put that one on. It didn't really go on that great, and it kind of fucked it up. And then I tried putting this other one on top, and it worked. But then, like, because of the bottom one, it worked, but because of the bottom one, I think it fucked up overall. And then it also kind of sank in there, so I don't know. So it made little holes right here. It like seeped through there. So I have to figure out, I'm gonna have to disassemble 3 of them again. One held up pretty good, but these 3 of them didn't hold up pretty good. So I have to undo them and check to see what's going on. So we're gonna redo that. Hey guys, so I got this first rim off. So basically this is what essentially fucked it up. It was the first caulk that I put. Yes, I know I said caulk. So as you can see right here, it's still not even dried up. This had been already from like the night before. And then I went to go buy a different one, and that one dried up immediately. But I just thought it was gonna work. It didn't work. So now I got this off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up and then redo it. And I also looked up, I also torqued it to spec, and the way it's supposed to be, 22 foot-pounds and then star pattern. So I think it essentially came down just to the type of caulk that I used. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, get it ready for round number 2. Clean these all up because they all got them, and then yeah, so let's see how this goes this time. So I got this cool little setup right here that I just bought. I'll have to show it later, but I went to the store to get some stuff, try new caulking, but yeah, so gonna go back to the wheels, see if I can disassemble the other 2, clean them up, and then getting ready for tomorrow to redo them and then re-torque them down and then do all that, and we'll see how that goes. But I did get this cool little setup. I hope it works out in the long run. I'm not exactly sure if it will, but I'll show you later. It kind of does, like, I think it's just the screen. That's it. There we go. Sheesh! Damn, this thing is looking legit, bro. Hold on, I need to fix it. I think it's just the fact that they're, I guess like that. Yo, so we're in the back office right now. We're getting work done. We're putting in work. Let me show you guys what we've been doing. So right now, this is all the terracovas that we've made so far. We got more coming in. We have, I think there's, this is it, but there's more. We got more going in the process. We also got all the packaging paper. So this is the packaging paper. This is, we're making about 100 of these, so, because we're making 100. So we're gonna be putting this in the pack, like with the bag, in the packages. So yeah, that's what we got going on right now. Jamie's taking her 10-minute break. Only 10 minutes, but it's been more than 10 minutes. So I don't know what's going on. So yeah,
I'm the glue that holds this company together. You don't
oh my god. Shit. So yes, we're just getting those printed. I'm keeping a close eye on them because I don't want the printer getting jammed or anything like that. These things are coming out dope. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Crystal clear. This is crystal clear right here. It's been a lot of work getting those done, but they're getting done. So the guy that's gonna be get away. As I was saying, we're gonna put the link of the guy that's gonna be selling this. We'll put his link down below, and you can go purchase one. Or we might have our very own set online. You can also click the links there and purchase them directly from our website. Either or, it doesn't matter. But yeah, that was that for this one. Thank you all for watching. Also, don't forget to go down to the online store down below, Meister. And yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.